Okay, so today I'm looking at Gnome for the holidays. Just such a fun, cute stamp set from the August to December 2020 Stampin' Up catalogue. I'm going to have to just turn it around for a minute. There's No Place Like Gnome for the Christmas season, You're a Friend Like No Mother, A Little Christmas Wish, Holly Jolly Everything. And then you've got the Gnome House and the Three Gnomes, which just make me giggle. This one's got snowflakes on his hat and a bell hanging off it. This one looks like it's wearing the Christmas tree. And this one's got what looks like mistletoe dangling off the end of the hat. Now I've stamped a couple of them already to save some time, and I've coloured them in with just some simple colouring. I've used Misty Moonlight and Balmy Blue as the colourway, and then I've used a watercolour pencil in white just on his moustache and his beard. I'm going to put this onto my ScanNCut mat, and I'm just going to get the ScanNCut to cut them out for me. Okay, so there they are cut out. Now I didn't actually show the cutting because I've got lots of videos on my channel showing how I cut out with the ScanNCut. But I'll try and show you. The detail. And here's the other one. Just adorable. So I'm just going to move these things off my desk to give me a little bit more space. I'm going to use a Balmy Blue base. I've already stamped the treehouse and I've coloured it in, and I've got myself a little bit of paper here where I've tried out the colours and just written the names on them so that I can try and remember what they are. So I've used Crumb Cake for the tree, Ivory for the door, and then I've used Misty Moonlight, Balmy Blue and Mint Macaron on the lights, and some Smoky Slate for the stones leading up to the little house. And I'm going to layer that onto the front of the card with one of my gnomes. So I might just stand in there next to his house. And just so he doesn't look as though he's floating in the air, I'm just going to extend that grass line underneath him. And then in the suite that comes with the glimmer card, you get these blue adhesive backed gems. So I think I'll sprinkle a couple of these and see how that looks. So I think it looks quite cute. Just very simply, so simple stamping, stamped the gnome, coloured it in, added a few gems, and then I could always put a greeting down at the bottom or at the top, or just put a piece of white card or paper inside and stamp a greeting inside. So I think that looks quite cute. I've still got my other one to play with, but Gnome for the holidays, go and have a look in the catalogue and see what you think. I just think it's a fun, whimsical, you know, light-hearted Christmas stamp set. Anyway, please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't already do so, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.